In this video, we will be viewing one asset over different time frames and how it is important to your trading experience. In the last lesson, we had pound-dollar charts opened displaying 5-minute and 1-day candles respectively. Now we will change the 5-minute chart to MN or monthly, and we will open two other default charts. Now we have 4 charts opened and we want to see them all in one screen. Simply click on the tile button. Now all your charts will be filled equally in space. Another way to sort the charts is by clicking on the window in the toolbar and select Tile Windows. Tile horizontally is sometimes better to look at ranging markets or to compare one chart to another. Tile vertically. It may be better for you if you are looking at trending markets. Returning to Tile Windows, we now can see 4 pound-dollar charts distributed evenly. We can change this chart to 15 minutes and this one to 1 hour. We now have 4 charts, all of which are the same asset displayed for different time frames, with monthly, daily, hourly, and candlesticks for 15 minutes. In case you don't like the placement or order of any chart, you can simply click, drag, and drop the tabs below. Depending on your trading strategy, opening different time frames at the same time can be very useful. We can now spot ranging markets and trending markets on different time frames that will help us make trading decisions. If you want to see more details in a chart, we can zoom out. We can also expand one of the charts from here. If we want to scroll back in time to return to a point that we were in, we can simply click and drag the chart. But it is clear that the MT4 insists on showing the current candle by quickly back to the previous position. To avoid this, click on the auto-scrolling button here. The button next to it is called Shift, and it does that. It is important to notice that the status of these buttons will be saved in your settings and templates. In this video, we have covered different time frames, control and organize multiple charts, spotting ranging markets, spotting trending markets, scrolling and shifting charts. Thank you.